What is up, guys? It is morning and I'm just chilling in my bed. I just woke up and today I'm going to New York, guys. I'm going to be seeing all my cousins and my family, and we're going to be doing some trick shots. I'm going to be doing it with my cousin. Make sure to subscribe to my cousin's channel, Kevin Knapp. The link will be down in the description, guys. He's been going to be doing a lot of the clips in this video, guys. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into the video. Nice.
And then I'm going to run up into a side.
Nice. Nice one. That was sick.
I over-rotate me hitting the long bomb. Long bomb attempt 2. Jesus. It went all the way into the trees and then fell down. That's insane. Holy cow. Catch. 9-year-old doing a rainbow. 360 front.
Nice. Front flip. Yeah, guys, it's like 9:15 and we're at the pool, and that was a nice 360 front.
Front flip.
Nice.
This is a 540 front flip.
Oh, wow, that was nice. Nice flip. Fireworks here. I mean, there's so many. There's at least 20. So, yeah.
Yeah, he's making one.
Triple fireworks at once. Wow.
One is
Go black. The ghost amigos. There's a fire coming out of the top of them. That'll burn you.
Yeah.
They're both lighted too.
Double. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh boy, you got him. He pulled it
Triple.
off.
3.
Oh, that purple one. That one looks cool.
They're all about to do a shower.
I just want to see the crazy clock, the huge clock. That's the. That's 4 at once. No way.
One's not going.
All of them.
No, one's not going.
They're all going, Matthew.
Yeah, because the fireworks scare them away because it's so bright.
You know the snap ones?
Yeah.
Brown?
That's
Ever
what the.
hit yourself with them?
No.
They don't flat. And at first, it goes the longest.
We're about to do the crazy clock, and this thing is huge. This firework, look at it all right here. It's like a huge clock, guys, and yeah, we're gonna get right into this, guys. It's gonna be absolutely insane, guys. I can't wait. The crazy clock,
The crazy clock.
the huge firework, the grand finale.
No, they're lighting the clock. Oh, great. It's going up the hand.
It starts at the side. Oh, the hands move. Oh my god. Whoa.
Uh-oh. I'm scared.
That's it?
It's done.
Nope. Oh.
Oh, that's light.
It's
That's
that's so bright you can't even see it.
Oh, that's illegal.
That's only
It's
2.
like, what's the name?
Oh my god.
Ow. No, don't go for it. It's not done yet.
Did I melt the bucket?
It melted the grass. It melted the grass.
And it ends with a golden shower.
No, I don't think that's it yet.
Not to the end.
Wait.
More. That's it. That's it.
Wait.
Hey, you want more?
Wait.
Oh, no.
Burn that. Dude, how is that grass not burning?
I know, seriously. Oh, wow. No way it's not going to burn. Dude, wait, is there still more? It's called the It's called the no, because if it starts up when they walk over there. One more.
Dude, I can't believe you do that.
Yeah, so I really did hope that you guys did enjoy this video, guys. I had a lot of fun there in New York with my cousins, and as you can tell, my face is really red because I got really sunburned yesterday, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time.